Gates open, they're up and racing. In between runners, we have Ace Conveyance, Vanguard, Nash moving up on the outside. Chismosa moving up in between runners. Then followed over by Crystal Sprite running on the outside. Is 4A, and that's Midnight Myth. As they race towards the last 800, Nash takes command. Chismosa moving up by the rail. Then racing in third, Ace Conveyance, Vanguard. Moving up is Crystal Sprite. Then comes Midnight Myth. As they rounded the last 600, Nash leading the field by half length. Chismosa moving up down on the inside as they swing for home. Nash, Chismosa is by the rail as they swing for home. Nash running on the outside. Chismosa lifting in down on the inside. Chismosa now takes command over Nash. Running in third on the outside is for a Midnight Myth. Vanguard is state of the art with 75 meters of the race. It's going to be the favorite. Chismosa. Nash for a Midnight Myth. Vanguard, then comes State of the Art.